Hey everyone, it's time to announce our next project. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and it's time to announce our next project. So we're currently working on Ginger's Kitchen, but as soon as we finish that, we're going to jump into our next big project, and it is Jingle all the way. Oh my goodness. So a bunch of us bought this several years ago and have not made it. So we're finally going to do it together, you know, more fun together. But if you haven't purchased this, we have a sponsor that has very graciously agreed to sponsor us for this project because this was hard to get. This is a very old project. One of Kimberbell's first projects, I think. So we are going to do this, and they have made a fabric kit for us. They made all of the supplies available for us. So our sponsor is Oma Darlings. Oma Darlings. So they are going to have everything available for us. I'm going to add a link here. This link will take you not only to the Oma Darlings website, but to a search. So I searched Jingle, and they put all of the supplies in Jingle for everything that we're going to need. So let me tell you, you will need the book. All right, the book, as usual, whenever we do a Kimberbell quilt, the book has a CD in the front of it. All right, so that CD has all of the designs on it. All right, so you need the book and the CD. We're doing the machine embroidery version. I did see on the Oma Darlings website that they also have the sewing version, so be careful and purchase the machine embroidery version. That's the one that we're going to do together. All right, so you'll need the CD. You'll need the fabric kit. So like I said, they made a fabric kit for us, and I'm almost sure, I think that she was able to get some of the original fabrics as well. So there will be some substitutions, of course, but you'll have everything that you need in the fabric kit, and I will go over with every video. I'll tell you this is the original, this is the substitution, whatever that we need, and there's some that I don't have all of them either. So I will be using some of the substitutions from Oma Darlings as well. So you will need the fabric kit, all right, and then the embellishment kit. The embellishment kit's really important on this one. There's a lot of specialty things like mylar, vinyl, buttons, things that go inside of the snow globe. I think they may have put that in the embellishment kit, but I'm not absolutely sure. But there's lots of different things, so you want that embellishment kit. The back fabric. So the back fabric is going to be separate than the fabric kit. So make sure to get your back fabric. You need 3.5 yards of back fabric. And then she's working on a thread kit for us. I don't know yet if she's going to be able to do it or not. I will add information underneath the video when I've got an update. But she's working on making a what is it, the thread kits that we usually use for Clyde, the Fil-Tec Clyde, that's what it is. So this is an older one from a different project, but she is working on getting the threads for us, and she's going to send me also the information on what thread colors so that we can check our stash as well. So the thread kit, don't forget your batting and your stabilizers, of course, and she is going to ship everything by July 1st is what she's telling me. So July 1st, which is plenty of time because we're working on our current group project. So we will be starting after that point anyway. We'll always start with a prep video, and there's a lot of prep information on this one as well. So in like I said, this is an older project. So when you go through this one, it doesn't have like all the cut dimensions and things that it's got it differently, I should say. So there is some, but it's basically got like you need this size, that size. It's different than what we are used to. And so what Kimberbell did, thankful for Kimberbell. If you go onto their website, and I'll add a link underneath this video, if you go onto their website and go to product updates, they have where you can click on it, and they made a whole new list for us, the one that we're used to having, right? So this will be really helpful when we start prepping, and we'll do all of it together. Don't worry, we'll go over each of them together in the prep video, but in the meantime, you can start printing this out from the Kimberbell website if you'd like. It's really helpful. It's got all the usual cut information that we're used to nowadays that wasn't available back then. So that's in there. So don't forget, Oma Darlings, they are our sponsor. We want to make sure to support our sponsor. Even if you already have the book from way back when, you may not have the fabric kit, or even if you have everything, find something that you can get on Oma Darlings website. Make sure to support our sponsors. It's so kind of them to do this for us. And of course, you can always get your batting and this is in the hoop stabilizer that we use. This is the light mesh cutaway, the fusible backing. You can get all of these items from Oma Darling's website for supporting our sponsor. But we are going to start this project. Like I said, we'll start with a prep video, but we're not going to do that until after we're done with our current project. We're currently working on Ginger's Kitchen bench pillow, so we're not going to start any of that until after we're done with our current project. So right now, I'm just telling you, get your supplies. You know what? A coupon code is really helpful. Sorry, I forgot. So our coupon code from our sponsor is Cristin Jingle, all right? Because we're doing Jingle all the way. So Cristin Jingle, use that when you order from our sponsor, Cristin Jingle. So the way she sent it to me, there's a capital C and then no other capitals. I don't know if that matters on their website or not, but Cristin Jingle on the Oma Darlings website, and make sure to thank them for sponsoring our project.